Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the title of the video and the picture, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive like today's, and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you will be in the know. Also, in the area that's right below the video, there is a thumbs up. If you could take a second to press that, it means you're enjoying my content. Your number will go up, as well as the thumbs up will turn blue, which means it's registered. It is really important on the YouTube platform for creators like myself, because then YouTube sees that and then they put our videos in front of other people that just haven't had the opportunity to meet us yet. So if you could take that second, it really does mean a lot. All right. I'm a girl that usually gets the newspaper on the weekends, and there's usually all the flyers in there. But since February, March of this year in Florida, Target hasn't been putting their flyers in the weekend papers. Everything is online. So very periodically, I'll see the email come down in reference to the weekly flyer. And today it came down very late, and I saw that the cover mentioned that the 14 days of beauty and style deals is starting today, September 27th, and it's going to run through the 10th of October. I didn't hear anything about this, so I'm hoping that if you're interested in this video will enable you to know what the deals are and on what day. So I'm trying to make this as large as possible on the screen so that you guys can see what's going on. So today on September 27th, it is 50% off all the Ray Beauty vitamins and supplements and the Versed Hydration Station Booster Facial Treatment. I am not familiar with either of these two, but I have heard some good reviews about Versed, and I think Ipsy is starting to carry that line too. So hopefully we'll be able to learn a little bit more about it. On September 28th, they have the Pixie Clarity Collection, as well as the Love, Beauty, and Planet hair vitamins and body lotion. I really do enjoy the Pixie line, but I have not tried their Clarity collection, so I'm going to look a little bit deeper into that. But I have enjoyed the Love, Beauty, and Planet hair shampoo, as well as their body lotion. So both of those are good, and 50% off is amazing. The following day, September 29th, they have 50% off on the Sally Hansen Mega Strength Nail Polish and the Revlon Super Luxurious Lipstick. I enjoy the lipsticks from Revlon, and I'm not familiar with this Sally Hansen nail polish, but they've been around for a very long time. The following day, on September 30th, they have 50% off the Nexus Color Assure shampoo and conditioner and the Got to Be Color Metallic Permanent Hair Color. I'm familiar with the Nexus shampoo. It is one that I recommend, but I have not tried the Got to Be color. But if you want metallic permanent hair color, then that's a great deal for you guys as well. The following day is Thursday, and they have 50% off the Arc Whitening and Click Toothbrush and Refills. Both new brands to me. October the 2nd, they have Milani, which has the eyebrow and the lip products, all of them, and they're 50% off. That's usually one of the best deals you're going to get on Milani. October the 3rd, they have 50% off the number 7, which is a fantastic brand for the Correcting Booster Serum, and the Soap and Glory Face Soap and Clarity Face Wash. I really enjoy the Soap and Glory products, as well as number 7. Number 7 is usually expensive, but the Soap and Glory during this time of year usually has a lot of bundles. So if you're not that familiar with the line, you can wait for some of the deals that come out with the Christmas bundles. But if you already enjoy this product, 50% off, I think is an absolutely fantastic, fantastic deal. So that's it for what's on this page. So let's go to the next page. Okay, and here we are starting with Sunday, October the 4th, 50% off the Hair Biology products and the Revlon Copper 1-inch Flat Iron Curler and Straightener. Then on October 5th, they have 50% off the Select Pacifica Cleansers and Fragrances and the Yes to Watermelon and Grapefruit Facial Care products. Both of these are really nice products. This is new to me because the last time I was in a Target store, I saw a whole end cap that had the Winky Luxe products in there. So this is a new brand to Target. So I'm really happy that they're doing a 50% off on October the 6th. They have the eyelashes from this brand that the girls who wear eyelashes always recommend, as well as the Select Winky Luxe eyeshadow palettes at 50% off. I think is, if you want to try a brand, 50% off is the way to go. The next day, October the 7th, they have 50% off the Bliss Clarifying Trio and TBH by Tahari Scalp Scrub. Excuse me. I'm not familiar at all with the second one, but the Bliss products, I've had the opportunity to try a few and I have enjoyed them. The next day is the Thursday, October the 8th, and that one looks like it is from the Tanologist Self-Tanning Products and the Frank Body Coffee Scrub. A few of the girls, I'm not sure, I think it was in BoxyCharm, when they opened up, they said they got this Frank Body Scrub at 50% off. So I didn't see anything about it on the last BoxyCharm pop-ups, but who knows if this is a brand that he's starting to show in the box. Usually it does possibly show up in future pop-ups, but 50% off is, I think, a great deal as well. And I don't do this self-tanning, so I'm not familiar with this line either. But on October the 9th, they have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And this is a product that I recommend highly. And at 50% off, it's an amazing deal. It's one of the best drugstore bronzers that I have had the opportunity to try. And it smells delish like coconut. And it does come in a variety of colors, where initially it did only come in one. So that's a good thing to know. And that's 50% off. And Pond's Cold Cream and Facial Wipes. I grew up, my mother only used Pond's to take off her makeup, and I love that that brand is still here to this day, and they also have it in facial wipes. And then on the final day of the sale is October the 10th, and that looks like it is Christian S. Signature 1 liter shampoo. I'm not familiar with this brand, but if any of you have tried it or know about it, or any of these brands, please make sure to leave it in the comments to help everybody who's watching, because it's through the community of our comments that we have in True Wants that each of us shares with one another, so that we can each get the best deals on the products that we've known and we've enjoyed. Or if you've tried a product that you didn't like and the reason why, leave that in the comments below as well. The other item is from the same brand, this Christian S, ESS, and it's a 1-inch beach wave curling iron. So I know a couple of people that have used one, that in the past that the wand used to go one way and then it went another. Like I said, I'm not familiar with this at all, and it's not something that I use, but if you are familiar with it, I would love you guys to share that in the comments down below. So that's everything that the information that I have that was online to be able to share with you guys. But like I said, this is the 14 Days of Beauty, so make sure to go on Target.com to check and see, you know, what the deals are. But they do start today on Sunday the 27th, and today's deal, like I mentioned, is this top one here from this Ray Beauty, the vitamins as supplements, as well as this Versed Hydration Station Booster. And the deals are going every day a different deal, from September 27th today through October the 10th. So I hope if you are familiar about this and there's any of these deals you want to share, please do so in the comments down below. They also have what they call the Circle offer, which is something I know is from the app on the phone, that they're giving a free $10 gift card with beauty purchases of $30 or more during only from the 27th through October the 3rd. So it's not during the entire sale. And then they're saying exclusions apply and things like that. But you can join that for free on the Target app. I know that. Oh, they're saying there also you can join it on target.com/circle or in the Target app. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. As always, during this time, everybody continue to stay safe and stay well. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.